Alright guys, we're back on this Jeep today, and today's video we're gonna be lifting the truck. And that should be pretty easy because I used to lift before. So I'm gonna put that truck on 3.5-inch lift. That's gonna be a Rubicon Express lift with Fox shocks and black Rhino wheels with Toyo tires, and that's 27s 13.5 by 18-inch wheels. Alright guys, when I said I used to lift before, I wasn't talking about this. I have no idea what to do over here. So I called my brother to come and help me. He did some truck lifting before, but that's a lot for 3.5 inches. Right guys, so I did lift the truck sideways. I don't know why. I thought this is how you lift a truck, but my brother came to help. And
what's up guys? So the plan is to start with the back. It's a lot easier because you can disconnect all the control arms and everything from the rear axle, and then you drop the whole axle so you can work on both sides. It's a lot easier this way. All the Jeeps I lifted, this is how we do it, and it just saves a lot of time. So plan is to go on the back, finish the back, raise it, and then move to the front. So let's do it.
Right, boys, this side is done and the grill is on. We're definitely moving. Right, guys, the rear is done, both sides, and right now it's sitting on the little wheels because I gotta take the wheels that I got it and the original wheels and take it to a shop and swap the sensors. Right, boys, the truck is almost done, so we gotta get some protein.
What is that?
Well, this looks like chicken. The other meat, I'm not sure. The wife did it. Probably steak. I don't know. We'll find out when we eat. So we're taking the wheels to the shop to swap the sensors from the original to the black Rhino wheels. Right, hey, roll it and then jump on top.
I'm gonna do a flip on it.
Do it.
Look how tall it is.
I know,
Like 6
man.
foot.
That's 27s, baby. Come on, show me what you got. Uh. Come on, lift it.
Hold on, there's a sticker here.
Oh boy, get out of here. Hold the phone. Oh, you almost got it.
Oh.
Hold the phone. This is how you lift it. You don't need power, you need brains. You grab it. Oh, this side. Grab. That's it. Right, show me what you got.
These are easier.
Yep, well, baby wheels for a baby brother. Lightweight. Is ready to eat. Hey, Marianne, there is a spot over here. You took my chair. There's some steak, mushrooms, a little salad.
This is how you do it.
Yep, custom auto build.
Don't open all of them.
Right, the wheels are back, boys. Hey, how did you put them on the truck?
I took some steroids.
Oh, steroids that fast? Shortcuts? What? I'm telling mom.
I didn't want to go to the gym.
I'm telling mom you're cheating. Right, guys, the car is done. 3.5-inch lift with 37-inch tires.
Maybe one on there. One
That thing looks big. Now, next move for us is to put all the parts together and get the vinyl. The color is gonna be completely different. Yeah, I think that's pretty good with 3.5-inch. I didn't want to go higher than that because I will use this truck as a daily drive, so that's pretty good for now the way it is. And 27s, they're perfect and pretty nice offset. There she is. Right, guys, so to do this lift kit was pretty simple, especially that we got the instruction. We follow step by step, and my brother kind of did few jeeps before and some trucks, so that one pretty smooth and easy. Well, I did say we're gonna vinyl wrap first and then we'll lift it, but that was because I thought I'm gonna put it in the garage and vinyl wrap in the garage, but now we got the new shop, so I don't need this thing to fit in the garage. Of course, now it's not gonna fit because it's so tall. So anyways, we're gonna take this truck to the shop and do the vinyl wrap, so you guys stay tuned for the next video coming, because there is some more things to do on this truck. We gotta put everything together, finish the front end, and then vinyl wrap that thing. For now, stay tuned to our next video coming soon. Subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, and I'll catch you guys at the next video.